Alright, on a roll, second YouTube video of the day, we are doing it this year. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be running through some of my ultimate favorite products from 2018. It's really hard for me to do this. I was like, wow, how do I rein it in? How do I just pick my top favorite products that I'm using all the time, almost every single day, and I've absolutely loved. So if you want to find out what those favorites are from the whole of the year, guys, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so it was, like I said, quite tough for me to limit it down, but I really wanted to show you the things that I personally believe are like truly amazing, that work, that are amazing, that are just incredible. We have got quite a few things to go through, so I'm gonna just go straight into it. My first product is gonna be the Foreo UFO. This I find is such an innovative product. Honestly, I don't know anything else like it. I've never ever seen anything else like it. You've seen me feature this so many times on my page, and you literally put a mask here, like a sheet mask, you pop this little cap on, you switch it on, and it's synced with your mobile phone, and it's got different programs set in, so each mask comes with its own program. It heats up, cools down, vibrates. It's just a phenomenal piece of technology. It also has LED light therapy in there as well, and then you just apply it like that. So not only do I think it's a super cool product, it is a little bit on the expensive side, but there's so much technology going in there. Every single time someone comes around my house, I'm like, right, you need to try this, and they absolutely love it as well. So Foreo, you're killing it. I love all the products that they're bringing out, but this one in particular definitely wins the vote. Okay, next up is a cleanser. I'm gonna start with skincare and then move on to makeup and some tools. But ELEMIS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm is heaven on earth. If you're like me and you wear makeup, the best feeling is taking it all off. And guys, you need something that gets rid of it, because if you go to bed with makeup still on your skin, it's so bad for your skin quality. It's really not good for you. And this is where people start saying, makeup's bad for you, it gives you spots. Well, that's if you don't clean it off properly. So it's great wearing makeup, but you want to make sure that you're also cleaning it off a lot. You can tell by this product, it is loved. It's coming to its end. This is the second one I've gone through this year. I use it every single day. Whenever I wear makeup, it melts everything off. It smells good. And it's just so easy. So I'll do this. As I start then adding water, everything just melts off right away, and then I'll do a second cleanser just to be sure of something else, whatever I fancy. If my skin's a bit dry, maybe something hydrating. And this is just so good. I need to get another one because it's almost finished. I take this with me everywhere, and I absolutely love this product. If I was gonna pick a cleanser, it will be this one out of the whole year. Okay, next up is gonna be a face mask. Obviously, you guys know I'm gonna pick a face mask because I'm obsessed with face masks. But out of all the face masks I use, sometimes I feel like you need a bit of a pampering session, and normally I just put it on like at night time, and I love it. I love that feeling. But this is the Black Rose Cream Mask by SISLEY, and what I love about this is that a mask, but you put it on your skin before you go to bed, and you just leave it on, so you just then go to sleep with it on, and when you wake up, your skin is glowing. Again, it's not the cheapest product, but honestly, so many people rave about this product, and I was like, and then when I tried it, I was like, wow, this really works. Don't need to use a lot of product. A little bit goes a long way. It lasts such a long time, and it really makes your skin look incredible. It smells insane, and if you can, go and get a tester. I don't know if they do testers, but you need to go to counter and you need to try this, guys, okay? You need to get a little sachet, get a little tester. You just need to try it, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. But honestly, it's so good. All right, we're gonna move into makeup now. So swiftly moving on, let's talk about HUDA Beauty. HUDA Beauty this year has launched so many products. She has been killing the game. She's brought out eyeshadows, lip collections. She's brought out her foundation. Was that this year or last year? I can't remember now. And I got the amazing opportunity to meet her as well. Honestly, like, I can't even keep up with her because she's always bringing something out new, and that's so exciting for a brand to be so innovative and bring out amazing products. And this concealer is insane. I just need to tell you about this concealer. I always have dark circles underneath my eyes, always. Like, no matter how much lip I have, no matter how much water I have, and this is the fullest coverage concealer I think I've ever worn. The applicator, I wish it was like a brush or like a little spoolie. It's like this. The reason why I said that is because look how messy it gets. God, mine looks so bad. And because this concealer is such full coverage, what I normally do is I will put a layer of this, the same color as my skin, just underneath. And then if I want to highlight it, I'll go in with like a lighter concealer in a lighter shade, or even a different formulation, doesn't matter. But for that ultimate like clean under eye, it is absolutely incredible. And then I also take it just on my lids as well, so that I've got a really nice opaque lid to then create any eyeshadow looks. It's very hard for me to pick one Huda Beauty product because she has really killed it this year. But if I was gonna pick one, it would be concealer, because I cannot live without concealer. And if I was, you know that question that people ask, like if you're on a deserted island, what product would you take? Mine would be concealer. So well done, Huda, I love you. I had the honor of meeting her just a while back and it was just like a dream come true. So I have so much respect and love for her. 10 out of 10 for this one, baby. I love it, I love it. So moving along the skin and complexion franchise, we also have the NARS foundations. Now they have got a few different foundations, but NARS has been such a staple brand that I've been using since the beginning of time. I've always had problematic skin. I used to have impetigo, and so complexion was really important to me, and I feel like it's part of the reason why I got into makeup anyway, because my skin was so bad. This foundation is so nice. I would say if you want something long wearing that has a beautiful glow and has coverage, this is the one for you. They also have Sheer Glow as well, which is another foundation, which is amazing, but I don't know why. I'm just loving this one right now. I don't even know why. I still love Sheer Glow. There's too many, I can't pick. So this one is really nice. I'm currently in a shade, I can't even say this, guys, Valorous, but it's either this, the shade up is Stromboli, and then Barcelona. I want to be Barcelona, but because London is cold, I'm pale, but I've bronzed up today, okay? So this foundation, what I love is that it has the lid and a pump. There's no faff, it's all there. Pump into the beauty blender, right into the face, insane. Just always make sure you shake it, but I love the finish that this gives my skin, and this is kind of like my day-to-day foundation, and I normally mix this with something else if I want to be exciting. Spice it up, spice it, give it some spice. All right, we're just gonna have some blueberries as a break. I get really hungry when I film, I don't know why. Where's the lights? Okay, next up is gonna be the best lash that came out in 2018. I mean, mine. Yeah, I have to say, guys, the best lash that came out in 2018 was my own. I'm kidding. No, but I have to say, I'm so proud. I will never ever forget 2018 because it was my first ever brand collaboration, and to be the first boy in like hundreds of stores on the high street, on a box with a lash, collaborating with like the biggest lash company in the world is kind of insane. It's a big deal to me. So I will never ever forget this. I will never forget this moment. I also just really want to say thank you so much to everyone who's bought a pair, who's got a pair. Show me so much love, and thank you so much for creating looks using the lashes and tagging me, and I always repost you guys. So yeah, it's just such a dream come true, and it's sad to leave that in 2018, but hopefully 2019 will bring something just as exciting. They are limited edition, guys, so make sure you stock up now because they won't be around for much longer. I'm so happy and so proud, and yeah, I hope you love them, guys. Moving on swiftly, we are going to talk about setting sprays, and for me, there's been a lot of setting sprays come out this year. Some of them I feel like are really nice and quite dewy, but because I'm so oily, I personally, if I'm going to go for like more of a dewy finishing spray, I'll probably just use it around the cheek areas where I want that highlight to pop. But my only concern with that sometimes is if I want my makeup to last really long, then that might not be a good idea. The number one setting spray that I need in my life forever is the All-Nighter Urban Decay. So the All-Nighter setting spray comes with, I don't know why it does this. Does anyone know why? It comes with two lids. It comes with 2 lids, guys. I'm not sure why. Maybe it needs like extra protection because it's so amazing. But this basically is oil-free, paraben-free, temperature-controlled technology. It's absolutely amazing. I personally, if I really want my makeup to last, if I'm going on stage, if I'm doing anything crazy, I will literally spray this, let it set, spray another layer, let it set, and I'm telling you, your makeup will look super flawless and will just last. It will just last. An incredible product. Urban Decay I love so much. You guys know already. Yeah, I have this. This comes in, this is the big size, but they also have mini sizes as well, which is really amazing. So I have the little one to carry on the go, but the big one is good. But yeah, there's a lot of product in there and it will last a long time. Okay, second to last product is going to be highlighters. I feel like everyone still is loving a highlight. It's it's definitely become a trend. I know that a few people said that they saw highlight phasing out, and I'm just thinking to myself, can't relate. Sorry, can't relate. There's been so many highlighters come out. I still love more of a golden highlight, and I have to say I'm absolutely loving this one. It's from Artist Couture, and this one's called Glow Money. I love that name so much. It's like Cardi B meets Jennifer Lopez meets, oh, I just love it. And this is a really beautiful package. Like, oh, the component itself is absolutely stunning. Packaging wise, formulation wise, Mac Daddy has just killed it. It's just beautiful. Like, honestly, I'm gutted that I didn't bring something out like this. If I was gonna be a product, I probably wanna be this product because it's just so aesthetically pleasing to the eye. I can see that so much time has been taken out into how it looks, and I'm personally a sucker for branding. Like, I love branding. The product has to be good as well, and the product is absolutely amazing. I'm actually wearing this right now, so you can kind of see the kind of glow it gives. It comes in 4 different shades. Is it 4 or 5? I can't remember, but all of the shades are absolutely stunning. But I just love this one because it's got that really like golden yellowish kind of like color. Oh, maybe I can swatch it for you. Oh, okay, I can. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I don't want to waste it. Yeah, it's loved. It was even more crisp, but it is loved, and I absolutely love it. So this is probably like my top highlighter of 2018. I know, right? Oh my god, I love it. I just love it. I carry it everywhere. Okay, and my final product is going to be a tool today, and I have to say super congratulations to Beauty Blender for bringing out another phenomenal product, and it is this puff. It is so loved. It's time for a new one, guys. It is time for a new one. You can see I have been loved. Look, there's even like translucent powder still in there as I tap it, coming off, flying away, fly. This is something you're probably looking at it like, that's just a puff, like what's so special about this? But it's not. So this is a 2-sided puff. One side is more fluffy, the other side is a bit more like it's kind of like a blotting material, and you can actually put your fingers on this side and then just apply, bake. You can set your face, and then you can also, look at this, guys, twist this around, and then you can slip your fingers in there and use the other side as well. So this is really good for like blotting or touching up, like really good for like these areas underneath the eyes, or like the center of the forehead where you just want to blot. It's quite similar to their Blotterazzi, which is insane. And then inside you've got like a really nice kind of soft area, so you can actually put your fingers in if you really want to get in there and have a firmer touch. I think something like this is so simple, but there's nothing else like it. I've actually never seen anything else like it, and I use this every time I do my makeup, so you can see it's definitely really loved, guys. Probably needs a wash, but you know, you wanted to know my favorite products, and this is one of them because it's loved and it's used. And I just feel like when I saw this for the first time, I was like, wow, that's so cool. And then as I was using it, I was like, this is even cooler because it's practical, it's easy, and it just does the job. I love it. I love it. Anyway, guys, that will be the end of my total favorite products for 2018. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know if any of those are also your favorites, or what your favorite products are in the comments box below. Don't forget to share the love and give this a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button so you can see more videos on all things beauty. And until next time, I will see you then. So much love, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye now. Bye.